Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. Here is my project. This is a fashion necklace or fashion accessories made from the cork of the bottle of wine. Look at this. The cork is being sliced and painted with the different colors from the nail polish. Look at this. This is yellow or gold. This is maroon. This is another gold. This is blue. This is orange. And this is also blue. The other one is green. Okay, this is green. Look at here, the back side. This is the cork. And I painted with this color. And I fixed it with some crystals to look more elegant looking. So guys, this is how to recycle your cork from the empty bottles of the wine. And look at this. This is now the transformation, and you can create an instant fashion accessories made from the cork of the bottle of wine. And the chain, this one is a chain I just take out from my old handbag. So this is now my chain, and I just open a hole here, fix a ring with pearl beads and another ring, and fix into the chain. So I have here 6 pieces of cork, sliced cork, painted with nail polish, and fix it with crystals, different crystals. Look at this, in order to look more beautiful and presentable. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your cork from the empty bottles of wine. And my organizer, this one is my trophy. This trophy I got from the beauty pageant when I was working in Cyprus, joining the different beauty pageant. So this is now the transformation of the cork from the empty bottles of wine. So this is it. So I hope you like this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share my videos so that others can learn how to recycle waste. And of course, subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And see you again in my next vlog. Dankeschön, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Look at this golden trophy. This is a souvenir for my beauty pageant in the past. And now I recycle it as a organizer for my necklace.